Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send Polkadot from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into secure crypto storage, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have your Crypto.com account set up with Polkadot in your wallet, and your Ledger Nano X is fully updated with the latest firmware. Don't forget to install the Polkadot app on your Ledger. It's essential for verifying transactions. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X using your PIN, then open the Polkadot app. This will display your Ledger's unique Polkadot address. Write it down or keep it on screen, you'll need it for the transfer. Step 2. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or computer and log in. Navigate to your wallet section and select Polkadot from your list of assets. Step 3. Tap on the Withdraw or Transfer option for Polkadot. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Paste in the address from your Ledger Nano X. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to send, making sure to account for any network fees. Review the details, then confirm the transaction on your Crypto.com app. Step 5. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a confirmation prompt for the transaction. Carefully verify the amount and address on the device, then approve it using the Ledger buttons. Once approved, the transfer will process on the Polkadot network. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use this method in a secure environment and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you send Polkadot from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. It's all about staying secure and double-checking everything. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.